Thank you. Thank you for the introduction. Hello, everyone. Today, my topic is talk about smart planning using ArcGIS Urban and ArcGIS Indoor. When you look at cities around the world, majority of them are facing challenge like rapid growth in population and economy, and this force massive change to the city. Key stakeholders who create, live within, maintain, and shape our city of the future are not seen and don't have a common platform to address this challenge, which many times result in unintended growth, as we can see currently in this picture showing the near future of a city. Over the years, cities around the world have used location intelligence to manage, share, and visualize data. Thousands of local governments rely on modern mapping systems to improve operational performance in every department, where from public safety to community health. Planning department can now use mapping and spatial analysis to study urban trend and pattern with the added advantage of 3D and scenario tools that render design visualization. By taking advantage of location intelligence technology, innovative planning and design professionals are keeping pace with city goals and citizen needs. ArcGIS Urban is an immersive 3D experience designed to improve urban planning and decision making, quickly visualize projects in your local context, and leverage location intelligence to drive better decisions. Be more proactive and less reactive in your planning process. Simplify project collaboration across internal agencies and public stakeholders. ArcGIS Urban engage both casual and professional users with tools for analysis and iteration. Web-based tools support community engagement and make it easy for non-technical stakeholders to participate in the planning process. Interactive map and web app encourage meaningful two-way conversation, thereby giving citizens a greater voice and planner more clarity in planning the community. By using existing data and maps, planner can map the as-built environment, a digital twin of the city, including current regulation. By mashing up data source and using analytical tools, they can identify pattern and trend. The planning department can use the digital twin as a testbed for scenario and measure the impact against existing and land use value. Evaluation tools help planners ensure that development proposals meet the city's requirements, such as adhering to shadow ordinance. From project planning to inception to completion, planning departments use ArcGIS Urban, built on ArcGIS Online. The Esri mapping service. It coordinates the entire urban development life cycle. ArcGIS Urban can be used as a component of the Esri Geospatial Cloud, including the community engagement platform ArcGIS Hub, wherein planners collaborate across division, department, and other agencies, as well as inform stakeholders and engage the public. Now, let me show you a demo. I would like to show you a demo to see about the functionality in ArcGIS Urban. Starting with ArcGIS Urban 1.1, you can pick from 4 example cities available out of the box at startup. The example cities are a way to try out ArcGIS Urban without having to set up or prepare any data. They already have data available for you to explore and play around with. The cities differ in character, size, and the type of urban development challenge they face. When you select an example city, a new urban model in ArcGIS Online is set up, and the example data is copied to your content. This means that you can edit and play around with the data as much as you like. As a city planner, I will always need to have a check on the status of the project. This is to see any pending approval project any under review project and the complete project. When I click at the complete project, it will show me the site with the complete project model. From the indicator, I can quickly understand that how will the population change and grow in one view plans. From the legend, I can understand that green symbology indicate the population annual growth, whereas the orange symbology indicate that the population annual decline. In a scenario that I need to modify the spatial type for this area called South Boston, so I choose to open the plan and select edit and select the building that I want to modify. As the future plan for this area is to increase the number of households and job opportunity, before I start to modify, I will have a check at the number of household and job opportunity that has in this plan. As you can see, the current number of households in this plan is 7,861, and the job opportunity is 9,137. So what we are doing now is I will go to the development and click at the parcel that I want to modify. So I click modify, and I will click from demolish to high-rise residential with retail. So now the building arrives. After I change, I will need to check the capacity again to confirm the number of household and job opportunity is increased. As you can see, the number of households is increased from 7,861 to 8,351, which increased around 490. And the job opportunity is increased from 9,137 to 9,403, which increased around 266. Pedestrian view are important in urban planning. In the street view mode, I can explore my city from a street level perspective. By using a split screen, I can compare the future of my city with what I can see today. Next, I would like to share with you a case study. This is the city and county of Honolulu. The Honolulu Department of Planning and Permitting used 3D visualization tools to examine and visualize the proposed low-rise apartment zoning change in the neighborhood of Moilili. The key takeaway of this case study are Hawaii capacity analyzed resident housing and short-term rental through the lens of affordability. Planner visualized proposed zoning change against current housing pattern to gauge impact. 3D visualization provide quick and intuitive understanding of plan change. The smart planning is all about enhancing the standard of living and doing business by improving efficiency and convenience. An integral part of this is connecting indoor space to the IoT and using location intelligence to optimize process happening inside building. ArcGIS Indoor is a comprehensive mobility platform that creates smart workplace environment and transparent operation. The system can be applied to diverse working environments such as transportation hub, hospital, university, corporate campus, and many more to enhance efficiency and make work routing easier. ArcGIS Indoor Unlimited User Access and Identified-Based Permission allow an organization to share a common operating picture, evolve workplace operation, and better plan for the future of the company. While many workplace trends such as open floor plan have come and gone, there's one trend that has become principal to workplace planning. That is employee mobility. ArcGIS Indoor allows organizations to facilitate internal wayfinding and navigation. How many times have you circled around a floor just to looking for a conference room? Then only you find out that you are in the wrong wing, or the conference room is actually right next to it, just you didn't realize it. By supporting employee mobility, you are enabling the workforce to worry less about making it to their next meeting and focus more on what they are trying to accomplish in that meeting. ArcGIS Indoor provides a workplace map of the indoor environment, visualizing place, people, and objects on the map. It helps provide a common operating picture to all stakeholders at a workplace by making process more transparent, making the workplace environment location aware, allow employees to interact with it more, and improve productivity. Managers have more information at hand to monitor workflow and make location-based decisions on employee, task, and resources management. By allowing the whole workforce to be part of and actively contribute to the system, tasks can be resolved faster. Work order management, for example, can be significantly facilitated by enabling all employees to report incidents through the workplace map. More than 80% of a company resources are located indoor, and it is imperative for business to manage them efficiently. Employees, for instance, hospital staff, spend a lot of time searching for medical equipment that has been misplaced or taken, leading to a huge lot of time and money. ArcGIS Indoor can help tackle this problem by providing all employees with a quick overview of where resources are located via the workplace map. By consulting the map via desktop or mobile apps, they see all resources and how to navigate to them quickly. The system can also track who used which equipment and curate analytical data on utilization rate. This allows for estimate on whether more resources are needed and whether they should be reallocated to other areas in the building where they are needed most frequently. Big building complexes such as airport or corporate campus often leave visitors as well as employees confused when it comes to finding a particular point of interest, a specific room or resources. In addition, employees, especially hospital personnel, often spend a significant amount of their work time giving direction to patients who are lost. ArcGIS Indoor allows users to select a destination on the map they want to navigate to. Algorithm will then calculate the fastest, barriers-free, and indoor-only route and show it on the map. In the mobile version, the user will see their own current position inside the building and can route to the destination in real time. Providing visitor and employee with effective and efficient means to navigate allow the latter to save time and focus more on their core tasks. Now, let me show you a demo. I want to show you a demo about the ArcGIS Indoor application, how to use it and how to save our time. Today is my first day joining Esri. To avoid me get lost and wasting time to searching for conference room, my manager has shared this ArcGIS Indoor application with me. Inside the web, you can see the Esri campus. In the Explore button, I can search for the people, place and thing, retail and service, and the safety and security. For me, it's important for me to know where is my manager place located. So I will choose to look for my manager name. But because the name is too long, I can also use the search button to look for my manager name. In the search button, I will type penny date. I will type penny date and select. The apps will show me where is my manager place. And the apps also provide me the direction to my manager place. The other thing that's important for me is the conference room. In the place and thing, I can see the conference room button. Inside the conference room button, they list out all the conference room and the location for me. The last thing that is important for me is the vending machine. At some time, I need to buy some soft drink or coffee to drink. In the retail, however, I also need to make sure I have money before I go to the vending machine. So the ATM location and direction to there is also important. Although today is my first day, but I've been assigned to become the coordinator for this event called Intern Hackathon Presentation. I can find this event detail from the event button. As my manager wants me to send the direction and the event calendar to my colleague, so I select the Intern Hackathon Presentation event. From the detail pane, I select direction, and all of them will be coming from entry L1E. After I get the direction, I select the Add to Calendar to download the event. So I click Save to download the event. I select the Share to send email and insert the event calendar. So I click Insert to insert the event calendar and click Open and send to my colleague and click Send. Because this is a one-day event, so I need to order the tea break. So what I will do is I will click at the conference room. I just click at the conference room and wait for the detail pane to come out. And at the model, I select 311 button to launch the Survey 123 form. This is the request form for me to do whatever request that I want to request. Okay, inside the form, I put in what I want to request. I want to order a tea break. Yes, it's urgent, and I send the email to the person in charge email. Once I key in the email address, and I click Submit to order. This will eventually help me to order the tea break. Having seen the entire demo, there's more complete picture of our solution supporting planning and even smart city initiative. We provide solid foundation for SDI comprises of three systems, which is system of record, system of engagement, and system of insight. We introduce ArcGIS Urban for city planning. We provide ArcGIS Indoor to map and manage building indoor. We provide ArcGIS Hub to connect everyone together. As a conclusion, whether planning for growth, managing operation, or designing new development, you need clear visual understanding. We are smart city solution provider. You can leverage ArcGIS to create, visualize, and share your work, helping everyone to make informed and effective decisions. This is the solution make and training course that I use for today's presentation, and this is the resources link. That's all from me. I open for Q&A.